Why? Okay. Okay, now we can say hello to everyone on Twitter, YouTube, Live, and Twitch. Yeah, everyone.
Twitter, YouTube, D-Live, and
Uh, Twitch, Twitch,
huh?
Twitch is
It's another one, right?
is a game live stream
Okay.
platform. Yeah,
Nevertheless, hello everyone. Good morning to you. Hope you have a good week so far. Today here is Friday in Singapore, 26th of March. Yes.
yeah. And the title today is about the Bitcoin Pizza Store Day. So why we choose this title? Yeah, because 11 years ago, there's a man who bought two pizza with 10,000 Bitcoin, and now there's another transaction with the related with the pizzas. So we can say this pizza store day, because the pizza store owner they do the transaction, they sell the store with the Bitcoin. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Let's
you mentioned 11 years ago they sold pizza for 11,000 Bitcoin.
10,000.
10,000 Bitcoin. So 11 years ago, Bitcoin was how much the price? Was it less than $1 or $1?
Yes, around that's right.
Yeah.
So
So
if
imagine
you
today, they still have the 10,000, rather $10,000 Bitcoin. I mean 10,000 Bitcoin. This pizza shop owner will be like crazy happy, you know?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
that's right, because the
Wow.
the amount, the value of the 10,000 is nearly 504 million. Let me check
Yeah,
again.
500 over million now.
Yeah,
So this is like, wow, that pizza costs a lot.
yeah,
But
that's
of
right.
course, back in those days, it's just like a small little bit of money. Just like today, if you buy some of those altcoin out in the market, if you go to the exchange, you go to anywhere, you look at those that are 1 cent, 2 cent, point something cent, you can go and buy them. So if they of course I don't think they'll go up to 50,000 like Bitcoin will do, but if they go up to even $10 or $100, that's good enough. You're earning a lot from there already.
Yeah, that's right. And this this a few days when the market they expect with the long run is a long boom on Bitcoin, but the Bitcoin is going down out of the expectation from most of the trader, uh, and some of the holder, and some we uh, we watch some of the YouTuber, the other YouTuber, and they do the analytic. And should we still hold the Bitcoin, or we need to sell out? And some of the trader they do some of the um, fact and figure to show that Bitcoin is still in the good channel to invest in, because when we're tracking some of the wealth they win and move out the large amount of Bitcoin, we see that the wealth is trying to dump the price the to get more and more Bitcoin.
Yeah.
And yeah, and the 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 other thing is why the price of Bitcoin go up and why it go down this day. And if we still can remember last year's on the March 2020, that's the dump of the Bitcoin when WHO announced the pandemic. And now I think a little bit history again, but this day we don't see the short selling, some of the massive dump price from individual, because more and more people get more intelligent. They know, yeah, some of the news are fake news, some of the news are FUD. Yeah, so they still hold the crypto. They still hold the coin.
I
Yeah,
can't help thinking that the movement of Bitcoin price has got to do with this China and US summit,
yeah, that's right. That's correct.
because it just happened like a week ago. So this Bitcoin price has been stuck there for like a week already. It's like probably more than that. It's like from 58, then slowly 57, then slowly 56, 55. Now we are what? Last night it reached 51 or something, right? Now
Yeah,
we are at 52. So I can't help thinking that some of this factor that is happening that has got to do with that has come from this US China summit. Yeah, so maybe perhaps it is caused a little bit less confidence for some of the Bitcoin hodlers or Bitcoin owners when it comes to talk about politics, or rather security in inside the US actually. Yeah. So for China, they doesn't have to worry. Yeah, China, they are just always doing their own thing. Yeah. So